The mic's off. 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 The mic's back on.
What's up, everybody? My name is Joe. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the bad microphone on a Google Home Mini. Let's get started. Hey Google.
I can't connect to the Wi-Fi network. You might want to check the connection settings in the Google Home app.
Alright guys, that's the quick and easy step to repairing your Google mic. It does disable the switch, so you won't be able to turn on your microphone anymore. But let's face it, Google's listening anyway. Please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you guys.